Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do Criminal Claws unboxing. We have a February mystery box and then a kit that I ordered. So first we're going to do this February mystery box, and the packaging is super cute, and this little like tin tray thing, it's adorable. I love it. And all of the, of course, Valentine's colors. This glitter here, which is lips. Ooh, love it. Iridescent, pretty. Oh, paper. And then we have the hearts. Oh, same colors. Awesome and beautiful. Hollow hearts. Love that also. Red rhinestones, iridescent rhinestones. I see some moons in there. Oh my God, this is so pretty. What an awesome gem mix that is. Oh, okay. Oh, and we have some pretty butterflies in that. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Love these colors. This pink. Ooh, look at all those shapes in there. And this pink is so pretty, and they're iridescent. I love that. There's a whole bunch of shapes in there. And it looks like we have a red one, which is the same thing. So I'm going to open this up and see what all the shapes are on the inside, since we have two containers of mixed shapes. Let's see what we got here. And okay, I see some letters already. We have letters, we have snowflakes, moons, stars, hearts, we have flames. Oh, wow, there's all kinds, oh, circles. There's all kinds of shapes in here. Wow, these are good containers. Both of these containers with all of these mixes are worth this. Because, you know, usually when you buy the shapes, it's just one shape and you have all the colors, but this has the color and all the shapes. These are good. These are awesome. I'm glad these are in here. It's amazing. Okay, so next up we have some decals, 2 sheets in here. So first up we have, okay, excuse me. I see some lips with some drips. Lips and drips. So there's drips and then there's lips with drips. I don't know if you can see that. If you look there in the light, there's the drips. Can you see the lips and drips? And then we have these butterflies. Oh, these are so pretty. You know, these are pretty. This foil, I haven't seen any foil that looks like this before. This has flowers and like a hollow behind it. So the flowers look like 3D on the hollow foil. Yeah, I'm definitely using that. Yeah, definitely using that. That's awesome. This box here with what? More glitters. Oh, these are the shapes, like the little resin shapes. Oh, check those out. There's all kinds of shapes in there too. See, this is already worth it. This baby pink glitter. I love baby pink glitter. Red flakies. Oh, I don't have red flakies. So yay, now I do. Foil flakes. Flakies, foil flakes, whichever. So these acrylics are beautiful. I'm just going to show you the powders here. This one's Bare Beauty, and I will have a swatch video of all my Criminal Claws swatches that I'll be putting out also either today or tomorrow. But see, these are 1/2 ounce containers. They have the labels and they also show the ingredients. This one is Enchantress, and y'all, these are so pretty. I don't know if you can see that shimmer on here. You usually can't because the cameras just don't do these things justice. And let's see, Vixen. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, look at that. You can't see it right here, but there's some glitter in there. That's going to be beautiful. You are going to have to watch the swatch video. Bombshell. Yes, please. Look at this acrylic. Oh my gosh, that pink. That pink is amazing. Yes. Yes. All the containers are labeled with the ounce size, the company name, and the ingredients listed along with the names. And here's the letter that came with this mystery box, because she likes to put her personal touch in everything. And love it. Love these boxes and bags. I will get them every month as long as she puts them out. I suggest you do the same. $30. Well worth it. And if you can get a discount code, you're even luckier, because then that makes it even more of a value. Look at all this stuff you get for 30 bucks, guys. I mean, seriously, look at these. Look at these containers. Come on. That's well worth it. Trust me, well worth it. Go to her site or her Instagram page, and it'll link you to the site, and you can get your own. And I will have those links in the description box and at the end of the video. So now we're going to get into this kit here that I ordered, and she's got these cute little new labels. I love that. And this box is awesome. Of course, we have the decorative little crinkly paper, which I like because it's cute and pretty. And everything is individually wrapped. That is so awesome. I love when everything is individually wrapped. This right here, this label is life. Poison. Yo, I love this. Could not love this more. Seriously, I'm just going to stare at this part. Love that. And that's an EMA monomer. So definitely what you want. You don't want the other bad kind. Okay, this is rubber base. I bought this extra. It did not come with the kit, but I needed the base, and rubber base is always good. And look at that. That's beautiful. It's nice and thick and gorgeous and clear. That's going to be perfect. And I love the packaging on it. I know she has new packaging, but still it's gorgeous. So I got this 1 ounce Sex on the Beach acrylic, and it is a beautiful, beautiful tone, and it has a little bit of shimmer. Again, probably can't see it on the camera because I don't know why, they just don't want to show it, but this is a gorgeous color. Make sure you watch the swatch video for what these actually turn out and look like. I have another one in here, all the ingredients listed always, and it is Eat My Peach. Love that. The names are cute and adorable and awesome. Oh man, you can't spill the powders. Look at what I did. But that is pretty. It has a tiny bit of shimmer in it also. Ooh, I can hardly wait to actually use these. These are beautiful. Ooh, dust this off, man. Look at this. Wasting the acrylic powder. Ugh. But look at that. All right, love that. Oh, this cuticle oil right here. Let me tell you, I'm actually wearing this on my hands. I mixed it in with my hand lotion. I love the smell. It smells phenomenal. It smells like apricot. It is so cute. The stuff is floating in there. You get a good amount. Actually smells fresh and nice with that citrus scent. This is awesome cuticle oil. I highly recommend that one for sure. Like I said, I'm wearing it now. It's great. And we also get 4 little prep alcohol pads. How cute. And then this little file, like cuticle pusher. It's a very fine file. Like if you have any glass files, it's like that. And then of course the 100-180 grit with the company logo on it, which is super cute. We also have an orange stick because those are awesome and you definitely need those. And we have the little tool to get the monomer out. Also, I got this amazing brush with the kit, and let me tell you, I love this. It's so shiny, and OCD kicked in right here because the name is branded on the brush, but yet it's slick, so I had to just keep touching it and rubbing it, and it's just so pretty, and I love it. And yeah, I definitely recommend the brushes because they're cool and they feel awesome. So here's everything that comes in this one kit. Definitely go to her website or Instagram page to link to the website to buy the products. I recommend them 100%. Stay tuned for the swatch video. Go check out criminalclaws.com. Order yours today or go to her Instagram. Okay? Everything is listed in the description box again. And here is the information for you also. All right, guys, I will see you in the swatch video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.